So ngayon, if you want to trade US stocks, no, may mga nagtatanong, paano ba dito mag-trade ng US stocks? No? So, if you want to trade US stocks, you can use the platform of Exness. Okay, so ito po, I'm gonna share with you to yung platform na Exness. If you want to trade the US stocks. And ito, sa instruments lang, okay, so in the instruments, let's say you want to trade NVIDIA. Type mo lang yung code, NVIDIA. Yan. Type mo lang yan. So, nandyan, mga US stocks. You want to trade Meta? Nandyan din. There you go. Okay, close by market. Okay. You want to trade Apple. So, you can trade it in Exness. Mga titos at titas, ha. So, yan. Hanapin nyo lang po. Search nyo lang sa instrument. And then, click it. Tapos, nandyan na eh. No? You can also trade yung mga S&P 500, US 30, no? Yung index mismo, pwede mo ring i-trade. Pwede mo ring i-trade dito sa Exness. All right.